Welcome to this training on proper lubrication of high-speed and low-speed dental handpieces. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you the correct lubrication method, step by step, the exact way it should be done if you want to protect your equipment and avoid unnecessary damage over time. In most dental clinics, this is a serious and very common problem. Around 90% of professionals are lubricating their handpieces incorrectly. They use the wrong technique, apply the lubricant in the wrong position, or follow the wrong lubrication frequency without realizing the consequences. Over time, these mistakes lead to premature wear, internal damage, loss of performance, and a shorter lifespan for the equipment. So in this training, I'm teaching you the correct method used by professionals who preserve their equipment and avoid constant repairs. Let's start with high-speed handpieces. One common mistake is holding the lubricant horizontally while keeping the handpiece vertical. This is completely wrong and reduces lubrication effectiveness. Another critical mistake is allowing the turbine to spin during the process. When it spins, the lubricant does not reach the internal bearings correctly. Instead of penetrating components like bearings and shafts, the oil is pushed out. That means the parts that need lubrication remain dry, increasing friction and accelerating wear. Now here's the correct method. Keep the lubricant can fully upright at all times. Hold the handpiece horizontally. Make sure the turbine does not spin. You can do this by covering the head with gauze, cotton, or a paper towel. This step is essential because without it, the lubricant will not reach internal components properly. Next, insert the nozzle into the larger tube at the base of the handpiece. Apply the lubricant continuously for about 5 seconds. Keep applying until you see debris coming out. This is normal as it shows residue being flushed out. After lubrication, remove the excess oil. You have two options. First, place the handpiece upside down on gauze or cotton and let the oil drain naturally. Second, connect it to the unit and run it for 3 to 5 seconds to expel any remaining lubricant. Now let's talk about frequency. When properly adjusted, high-speed handpieces operate between 30,000 and 35,000 RPM at around 30 psi. Under these conditions, lubrication should be done at least twice a day. This maintains performance, reduces stress, and prevents early failure. And one rule you should never ignore: always lubricate your handpieces before sterilization. This applies to both high-speed and low-speed units. It protects internal components from heat and prevents damage during sterilization. This is how you extend the life of your equipment and avoid unnecessary costs. This concludes this lesson. In the next one, I'll teach you the correct lubrication method for low-speed contra angles and straight handpiece.